In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check all docs in ClickUp in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you're working with multiple projects, teams, or spaces and want a quick way to see every document you have access to in one place. Whether you're managing internal documentation, SOPs, meeting notes, or project plans, this will help you stay organized and save time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed in with the workspace where your docs are stored. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This left panel is where you can access all the main areas of ClickUp, including spaces, lists, dashboards, and docs. Next, click on the option labeled Docs in the left panel. This will take you into the ClickUp Docs area, where all documentation tools live. If you've created or collaborated on docs before, you'll start to recognize this section right away. Now, once you're inside the Docs section, look toward the top or the main navigation area and click on All Docs. This is the key step. When you click on All Docs, ClickUp will display every document you have access to across your entire workspace. This includes docs from different spaces, folders, and projects, all in one centralized view. From here, you can scroll through the list to quickly review your documents, use search to find a specific doc by name, or filter and sort to narrow things down. This is especially helpful if you're working on a large team or managing a lot of documentation and don't want to dig through individual spaces one by one. You can also click directly on any document from this list to open it, edit it, or share it with teammates, depending on your permissions. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can check all docs in ClickUp and keep full visibility over your documentation. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you understand ClickUp a bit better, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips, tricks, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.